Hello everybody, I'm back, and today I figured I'd do a quick little video about batteries, specifically battery flight times and quality of batteries and consistency in batteries. Now, I've noticed this across the board with even these little 1S batteries for micros and larger batteries for bigger quads. I've got both. So I did a control test with just these 1S on a brand new Fury B. And I have original Fury B batteries that came with them. I have replacement Fury B batteries that you can buy extra. I have some 260 milliamp batteries that are larger, because these are over here are all 150 milliamp. These are 260s from another company, and these are 150 milliamp from another company that fit the Fury Bs and other similar quads. Now, I numbered all these, I labeled all these, and made sure when I did the flight I timed the flights. And the variation in all these batteries was kind of crazy. The brand new ones, here's all my new batteries. 2.5 to 3 minutes is average, I would say, just about 2.5 to 3 minutes. And I had one that was a DOA, and I did charge it up a couple of times just to see if maybe the first run was a fluke, but I only got 35 seconds out of it each flight. Then I got the original Fury B batteries, which were giving me between 5 and 6 minutes, except for one of them, and I did charge that one up a couple of times to make sure that wasn't a fluke, and I still only got about 30 seconds out of it, so it's a DOA. But 5-6 minutes average flight with the original Fury Bs that come with them. Then I did these other ones that are 150 milliamp as well, and they're just from another company, probably from another factory, and the flight times were all lower, between 3 and 4 minutes. And then I did the 260s, and they actually did a little bit better on average. I think 4:15 was the lowest, and where's the one other one? 6.5 minutes was the best one. So yeah, the higher milliamp gave me longer flight times, but look at the consistency across the board here with the batteries. I mean, 4:15 to 6:30, that's a little bit of a swing there on consistency. And you notice the same thing up here with these. I mean, you got such a wide range of flight time, and this is flying them exactly the same way on every single battery to do a control. Same here, you got a slight variation here, but not quite so bad. You got 5 to 6 minute spread. Over here you got 2 to 3 minute, 3 to 4 minute spread, which there's a little bit of consistency there, but not too much. But yeah, you can't really say my quad is definitely going to give me this amount of flight time, or any RC is going to give me this much run time out of any battery. I've noticed this with my bigger quads. I have one quad that I have 4 3S 2200 milliamp batteries, and 2 of them are from one company and 2 of them are from another company. I bought them each pair separately, but at the same time, and both batteries are the same company, still the same thing. One will give me 6 minutes, the other one will give me 9 minutes. Then the other company's batteries, one will give me 6 minutes, the other one will give me 7 minutes. So, I mean, there's not that much consistency in the quality of batteries anymore. I don't think there ever was. And, being that I've been in and out of the hobby for such a long time, I've never noticed an actual straight consistency of flight times or run times on batteries, no matter what. So it all boils down to pot luck. In a perfect world, you could take the milliamp rating of the battery, calculate it out with your draw of the battery, and you get X number of minutes out of the runtime. But that's a perfect world scenario. That's not going to happen. So it just boils down to pot luck, whether or not you're getting good batteries or bad batteries or mediocre batteries. So don't expect a perfect flight time with everything. Don't expect to see exactly what every company claims is a flight time. Sometimes you'll get more, sometimes you'll get less. It just depends on the battery and the quality of the battery that you got in the package or you purchased separately, whichever way you did it. So there you go. When it comes to batteries, pot luck is what it boils down to. So thanks for watching.